Okay, lads, so an seo tá mé déanamh na focail le UI. Okay? So déan sé an I sound. So I. So for mar hampla isce, fuil, fuinóg, cluiche. So it's I sound. So isce, fuil, tuirse, fuinóg, cluiche, buidéal, puisín, popéad, cuilóg, duine, chuir agus chuirsí. Okay? So we've chuir ort the hata agus chuirsí a hata orthu. So this, because we have no H, we know it is an order. Okay? So whenever you give an order in Irish, you leave out the H. Okay? So it just remains the same. But when we have a H in, we know that it's I'm sure Katja, so it's past tense. So that means she put her hat on her. Right? So when there's a H in, we know it's past tense. Okay? So anseo bhí Liam agus Laura ag immert pell. Tá rééis tamil bhí Liam. Hit Liam an talamh. Bhí ag teacht ón a glúin. Fuair Laura sa chiistin. Chuir sí sa bhuidéal agus Laura isce a glúin. So what did she do? She put. Okay, she put water on his knee. So we have water, blood, tired, window, game, bottle, puisín, popéad, fly, person, put on. So put on your hat, and she put on her hat. Right? Okay, agus an seo manúit. So seo seachtain na Gaeilge, so it's Gaeilge week. So what we're doing is we're going to do a small bit more Irish than normal weeks, and Irish work will now be worth double points for this week, right? So every time we do a piece of Irish, it's worth twice as many points. Okay, so this is going to be worth 3 points, alright? So if you double that, you get 6 points for seachtain na Gaeilge, right? So 6 points for seachtain na Gaeilge. So inniu on, so céin lá tá win inniu, so inniu on Luan, right? Luan, so it's Monday. Tá sé on, so what date is it? So today is the 1st, isn't it? So on éanú lá, so on éanú lá de bhí Martha. Okay? Martha. So it's the 1st of March. Lá agus atá ann. So what type of day is it? So is it a nice day? Is it a bad day? So if it's a good day, you'll say bra. Okay? If it's a bad day, say so lá donna. And if it is a rainy day, say lá fluch. If it is, what are they, scamal, so scamalach. Lá scamalach. What else we have? Lá fuair. Agus lá te. So we have a good day, a bad day, a wet day, a cloudy day, a cold day, a hot day. We could also have Korean for. So it's a sunny day as well. Okay, so I want two of those, right? So one here and one here. So whatever you feel goes in here and here for what type of day it is. Okay, Inye Vime And what we're doing here is we're going to be doing past times, right? So inné, bhí mé ag, so were you ag immert, and we could have loads of things. So we could have soccer, pel, kishfel. So kishfel is basketball. Kishfel. We could have, what else we have? Imaniat. Imaniat. Okay, what else do we have? We could have a grit. So a grit. We could have a glaive, reading. So a glaive. Egg spree, so playing. What is egg sugraph and messing. Okay, so you could have inné bhí egg immert soccer. Inniu tá mé egg immert kishfel. So yesterday I was playing soccer and today I'm playing basketball. Marach beg me egg ri. I'll be running. Okay. Cuig me gadi egg on der shotla. So where did you go at the weekend? Did you go to on Shuppa, on Skull, on Lowerlin, on Beelin? So where did you go at the weekend? And then Vishay, so was it Gajas? No, Guduna. So it's either Gajas, no, Guduna. So it's either one of those. So it's either Gajas or Guduna. It was either good or bad. Okay? Tá siúil scoil an seachtain seo. So we're going to write in here is tá seachtain na Gaeilge, right? So I'm going to write it over here. Tá seachtain na Gaeilge siúil. Okay, so that means Irish week is on. So we did a good bit of Irish this week. Okay, so tá seachtain, big capital S, seachtain na Gaeilge. Seachtain na Gaeilge. Okay, seachtain na Gaeilge and siúil an seo. Okay, so it's actually honest simply, lads. So just follow what I've done here on the board and write this into your copy, right? It goes into your copy, okay?